Topic is metallurgy. So what is metallurgy and metallurgical process? Metallurgical process means metals are obtained from the various sources. What does it mean, various sources? That is, metals are obtained from the earth crust. So metals are obtained from the earth crust in the two form, one in native state or combined state, or free from or combined form. So if it is free state or combined, native state or combined state means metals are directly obtained from the earth crust as metal. It is in the pure form, only one step to purify the metals. So metals obtained from the earth crust in the native forms are gold, silver and platinum. Metals obtained from the combined state means, you see, it is in, you have to extract copper. That means you have to separate copper from this compound. That means metals, copper is obtained from the earth crust as compound form. It contains impurities such as iron and sulfur. You have to remove the impurities such as sulfur and iron and to separate copper. So in this method or in this metal, copper is exist in the combined form. From this you have to remove the iron and sulfur, then only we get a pure copper. So metals exist in two states, native state or combined state. Native state in free form, directly obtained from the earth crust as metals, gold, silver, platinum. In case of combined state, you have to separate the impurities from the ore or from the metal. So example, you have to purify copper. So you have to purify copper from this compound means to remove the sulfur, iron and to get a pure copper. So that is a metal exists in the combined form or combined state. So what is the definition for metallurgy? Metallurgy definition is extraction of metal from the ore. It is a definition, correct definition, but in a textbook they given us extraction of metal from the ore. Then this metal is converted or modified into alloys. These alloys are used in various applications. This metal is converted into alloys depends upon the main physical and chemical properties of the metal. So metal is converted into alloys mainly depend upon the physical and chemical properties of the metal. This is a definition for metallurgy. And what is the terminology used in the metallurgy? So these are the terminology used in the metallurgy. So what is the terminology? Mining, already I said, metals are obtained from the earth crust. So the ore, extra ore from the earth crust, extraction of ore from the earth crust are called mining. What is gangue? So we obtained ore from the earth crust. Definitely the earth crust contains rocky impurities. That is sand, mud, clay. This rocky impurities present in the ore. The rocky impurities present in the ore are called as gangue. Next is ore. What is ore? You will see mineral, then we will see ore. What is mineral? Mineral is a single compound. Minerals and single compound are a mixture of various compounds of metal. Mixture of various compounds of metals. Already I said it is in the free state. So single compound. It is a mixture of various compounds of metal means combined state. You will see the example: copper, Cu, Fe, S2. So from this we have to say extract copper to remove the impurities, iron and sulfur. This is a mixture of various compounds of metal. It is called minerals definition. It is a single compound or mixture of various compounds of metal. Then we will see the ore. Ore topic is important. So what is ore? Ore is a mineral from which large amount of metals can be extracted economically or easily. So whole definition is minerals from which large amount of metals can be extracted. So suppose take Suppose they will ask two more questions. Differentiate mineral and ore. Suppose they will ask difference between mineral and ore in the exam. So minerals means, I said, ore means extraction of metal from mineral from which large amount of metals can be extracted. So in case of minerals, it contains less percentage of metals. It contains high percentage of metals. So suppose the second point, all minerals are not ores. All ores are minerals. All ores are mineral. Third one, you write any one example. Otherwise, in this mineral, metals cannot be separated. In case of ore, metals can be separated. Sometimes they will ask difference between mineral and ore. Suppose if they ask me, so write this. Mineral is less percentage of metal, ore is high percentage of metal. All minerals are not ores, all ores are minerals. In this, metals cannot be separated, metals can be separated. So what is this? All minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. Let us see an example. Bauxite and clay. These two are ore of some mineral of aluminium or ore of aluminium. So from this we have to extract aluminium. But they said bauxite is an ore, clay is a mineral. Clay is a mineral. That means this bauxite and clay contains the aluminium, but in case of bauxite, from this bauxite we can extract large amount of metal. So that's why we consider bauxite is a chief ore for aluminium, because we will extract large amount of metals from bauxite compared to clay. Clay contains less percentage of metal, so it is considered as a mineral. They will ask which one of the following is an ore of aluminium. Bauxite, clay, cryolite, anyone they will. So bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Why it is an ore of aluminium? Because in this we can extract large amount of metals. So ore topic is important. Define ore means minerals from which large amount of metals can be separated. Then what is flux? Flux is a substance added to the impurity. Added to the impurity in a fusion temperature. So in this process impurities are removed. This flux react with the gangue to form a slag. Slag I mentioned, gangue already mentioned. The metals obtained from the earth crust contain some rocky impurities such as sand, mud, clay. So we have to remove this rocky impurities present in the ore are called gangue. So this flux react with the gangue to form slag. This will vary. Suppose gangue is basic means, it is a basic means, then we have to use the flux acidic. If the gangue is acidic means we have to use the base. Flux is basic. The last process is smelting. In smelting, metal oxide is converted into metal. So metal oxide to metal, but in this process only slag is obtained. So slag is obtained finally from the metal oxide. Metal is converted. How slag is obtained? So that impurity is removed as slag by reacting flux with the gangue. So these are the terminology involved in the metallurgy. So metallurgy definition they will ask. So metallurgical process, any one terminology they will ask in the exam, but they will ask sometimes mineral and ore distinguish. Thank you.